In this video, I will walk you through this simple budget tracker that you can make in just 10 minutes. I will start out with some data just to show you an example of what it will look like when you add some entries. In the first cell, I will type a title. Then I will select cells A through F, select the Merge Cells button to merge them. I'm centering the text and making it bold as well. And then select a blue fill. You can choose whatever color you prefer. Then I will change the color of the text to white so that it shows up better. I want the amount column to be a currency field, so I will select it and choose the currency button from the ribbon. Now this is the magic part. I will select the entire table including my headings, right-click and select Convert to Table. Now it's looking much better already. Next, I want my category column to be a color-coded dropdown. I will select the category heading, then I will select Data from the ribbon and Data Validation. From the right menu, you can see that they have been automatically populated because of the data I entered. You can also choose to add and remove options. I will choose a different color for each option. Now it's starting to look more colorful. Next, let's add a pivot table so we can see the total budget used and a breakdown by category. I will select Insert and Pivot Table from the ribbon. I will click this box to choose my data range. I want to select all the data in my table, including the headings, and select OK. I will choose Existing Sheet to add Pivot Table to my sheet. Then I will choose the location. In this case, I will choose the first cell in the sheet and then click Create. From the right menu, I will add a row and choose Category and add a value and choose Amount. Now a table has been magically created with the amount spent for each category. Next, I want to make a chart. I will select the table contents, not including the headers. Then from the ribbon, I will select Insert and Chart. From the right menu, I will choose the donut chart. Then I will choose Customize and choose Maximize. Next, I want to add a new column. I will click the plus icon beside my table and label it % of total. This will be my percentage of the budget spent on each item. To type a formula, I will type equals, select the amount cell, and then divide it by my total budget to get the percentage. Make sure the format of the column is set to percentage in the ribbon. I will select the whole column and I will choose Format and Conditional Formatting from the ribbon. Then select Color Scale from the right menu and click Done. Now I will select the contents of the data again to insert another chart. Select Insert and then Chart and choose the line chart. I will customize it to make it smooth and maximized. Now I will resize my charts to make them look better and rename my table. I will choose blue as my table header color. Now I will click View. Hover over Show and uncheck grid lines to make it look even smoother. And that's it, you now have a fully functional and aesthetic budget tracker in just 10 minutes. If you like this video, please consider subscribing and giving it a like. Thanks for watching.